What's up everybody, welcome back to Lord of the Coins, where I objectively give you my analysis based on price action. The purpose of this video is going to show you guys how I quickly analyze this chart on Mana and identify an area of key interest for trades that I take myself. So I'm going to show you guys what works and how I managed to keep over an 80% win rate trading this bear market. And if you guys are interested in trades like these on the daily, where we've already entered trades on Bitcoin pretty much every day, we've also entered swing trades on XRP, AVAX, and Algo, and several other cryptocurrencies. Or if you guys want to follow me in a 1 to 10k challenge, please make sure to check out the private trading community in the description down below. So Mana. I wanted to give you guys more of a lower time frame outlook on Mana in case you guys like trading this coin, but I did want to start out with a higher time frame outlook. So Mana has just been ranging inside of this daily order block being these last few down candles before this large move up. And honestly, ranging inside of an order block is not exactly what you want to see, but rather you want to see sharp moves out of an order block, as that confirms that there was a high volume of orders inside of that order block. So Mana has, on the higher time frame, we've been experiencing a lot of bearish order flow, and we still currently have bearish order flow on Mana. So I definitely would favor shorts, but I will give you guys some key levels if you guys want to look for long trades here. But in the the higher time frame outlook, I do think we'll see lower prices on Mana, tapping into this weekly order block down here before we see a larger move up. But I'll show you guys some key levels on the lower time frames where, if we hold some key levels, we'll actually see, moves up before we see moves down. So we'll actually go down to the 4 hour here. I just want to show you guys that we still have bearish order flow on Mana. So on Mana, we've had this sweep up here, where I marked that out by an X. And here is our change of character. A change of character is the last high or the last low before this sweep, where this sweep swept out all the liquidity from, back in like mid-November. So all this liquidity up here, where anyone has set their stop losses or orders, have all been swept out. So pretty much what happens when you have the sweep and change of character is that you generate this zone of supply up here. Since we are bearish, I'm gonna make it red since we are bearish. And after that happens, price will more than likely tap back in right here. And once you have this tap back into supply, this is what confirms bearish order flow. And now we have movement down. So I do think we'll still see movement down here and probably sweeping out these relatively equal lows down here and possibly seeing a tap into this weekly order block before we see a move up. That is my current view of the kind of the macro and long term on Mana. But if we do want to see up move right now, which is definitely possible, these are the couple things that I see happening and that that need to happen for us to see moves up on Mana. So the one thing that we do have going for us is that at the moment, it looks like we do have set a macro higher low, which is a very, very good thing. But for us to continue upwards on this, the key level we have to break is right here at 40 cents. If we do get a candle closed here at 40 cents, then we are going to generate, this would be our sweep. And that would be right here at this key level. That would be our change of character. So I'll mark that as a Y on my charts. So let me actually get rid of this key level. So we have the change of character here. And just like what we had bearish order flow over here, this would give us a bullish zone of demand. So I'm actually gonna get rid of this larger order block here. So this would give us our bullish zone of demand. And we would likely get price action, after we come up here. We'll probably get rejected off the previous week in monthly VWAP. And after filling this imbalance in this fair value gap, we'll probably come back down into this bullish order block here. And right here is where we will see a retap into demand. And we would confirm bullish order flow. And we probably would move back up here. And if that is the case, and we can claim this range high, and we see price supporting on this range high, then absolutely we can see prices up here. And if this is the case, we'd probably be targeting some higher prices here, and we see a pretty big pump on Mana. So that is my general consensus on long trades here. I would not really take a long trade unless we sweep out all this liquidity and tap into this order block, or if we can claim these levels at 40 cents and 42.5 cents. So definitely these are the levels to look out for. I'm gonna highlight these levels here. So this level and this level, you know, if you guys want to take a screenshot of this, definitely that is something I would do. But yeah, we do have a lot of resistance on the way, but definitely these are the key levels that we absolutely have to hold on Mana if we want to see higher prices. But the thing is, these, you know, Mana just still has bearish order flow, and even on these large moves up on Bitcoin and Algo, for example, Algo has seen a pretty big move up here. You know, XRP has been seeing some good moves as well, but Mana has just been, you know, just relatively bearish in his price action. So, you know, I do think, I don't know, I just think that Mana, you know, it's going to be risky taking longs on Mana at the moment. I think there's a lot of liquidity left below, and that it wants to sweep out all this liquidity before it moves up. That is my consensus on Mana, and I personally really haven't been trading this coin all too much. But if I were to trade this coin, definitely this is the level I'll be looking at, and this is the level where I'll be setting an alert here as well. I'm going to be setting a couple alerts here so I'll know that it's moving down. So yeah, I just want to give you guys this quick, very quick outlook on Mana. And if you guys want a more in-depth analysis, please make sure to drop a comment and let me know, or join the private trading community as I give in-depth analysis for all my trades over there. And yeah, if you guys like this content, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and yeah, just let me know if there's any other cryptocurrencies or forex pairs that you guys want me to take a look at, and I'll definitely do that for you guys. So yeah, definitely check out my last Bitcoin video as well, as we've called this move pretty perfectly here. And I'll be giving you guys another update on Bitcoin, as you know, if something plays out that I didn't predict in my last video, or after what I predicted in my last video plays out, and then, you know, what next, I'll definitely update you guys on that as well. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you guys next time.